Hi everyone! Dreaming of miniature horses on your small farm? Today, I'll show you how to start small-scale miniature horse farming without breaking a bank. First, plan your space. At least a quarter acre per miniature horse for grazing and movement. Build secure fencing at least 4 feet high to contain these agile animals and protect from predators. Provide a 3-sided shelter for protection from sun, wind, and rain. Choose healthy, registered miniature horses from reputable breeders for good genetics. Start with 1 or 2 geldings or mares. They're easier for beginners and provide companionship. Check veterinary records to ensure up-to-date vaccinations and deworming. Feed high-quality hay as the primary diet for their sensitive digestion. Give grains sparingly as supplement. Always provide fresh water. Groom daily to maintain coat health. Check for issues and build bond. Provide regular exercise for physical and mental well-being in the pasture. Schedule vet visits for vaccinations. Farrier trims hooves every 6 to 8 weeks. Check local zoning laws and HOA rules for livestock restrictions. Initial costs: $1,000 to $3,000 per horse, plus $2,000 for fencing and shelter. That's your start. Avoid mistakes with the ebook Small Scale Miniature Horse Farming by Gerard Dawn. This full beginner guide has everything. Link in the video description.